Paul, I'm curious. What's something you wish more people knew about the maintenance and reliability industry in space?
Um, that we're really trying to improve things and make it better for everybody. I don't know that it's really our technical defined role as a maintainer, but I find really maintainers like to fix things and like to make things work right. And it really goes beyond just a piece of equipment or a breaker or a motor or whatever. You can kind of apply it to your job or your division or your company. You know, if you can make it run better, that's kind of what I think most maintainers have at heart. Uh, you know, I want to see the company do better, and I think we already do great. But what if somehow what we did in asset management or reliability or safety allowed us to lower the cost of electricity or drinking water to the customers? I think that'd be a huge win. So that's kind of my overall goal for some of the stuff that I try to take to upper management, is that one day be able to say, you know, hey, some of the stuff we put into work, actually we've lowered our costs. And like, how many utilities could say we've lowered the cost of water, we lowered the cost of power or wastewater services? I think that's might be a lofty goal and completely unattainable, but I think it's worth trying to get there.
I think that's a common misconception that many people have about maintenance too, is that maintenance is not just about maintaining what we currently have in the current state that it's in right now. A lot of maintenance and reliability is about making it better, about making it cheaper, better, faster.
Yep.
I started my career out in process engineering, and it was all about making our process better and faster. And there's a big component within maintenance within that.